All right, we are in front of the Ivory Homes home. This is the Primrose. We're in the same subdivision in West Jordan. This is just under 5,000 square feet. It's slightly bigger than the Rainy Homes home we just saw, and I like this one. It's close to a clubhouse. Let's see what this one looks like.
We're Rod and Melody, your guides to living in Salt Lake City and beyond. With over 30 years in Utah real estate, we're here to help you navigate this beautiful state with confidence. We make videos about living in Salt Lake, exploring the suburbs, and what life in Utah is really like. We've helped over 1,400 families make their move in, out, and around Utah. And whether you're headed to St. George, South Jordan, or Smithfield, we've got you covered. Right now, many builders, including this one, are offering incredible incentives, from closing cost credits, free upgrades, to interest rate buydowns. If you're considering building or buying new construction in Utah, we're offering a free 15-minute Parade to Home consultation to walk you through your options and connect you with trusted builders. Use the QR code or the link in the description and subscribe for the next home tour.